Did you know that thousands of Australian women search for answers about divorce every single day? From figuring out how to split assets to understanding child support, the financial side of divorce can feel overwhelming. And it's not just about the paperwork, it's about rebuilding your life, your finances, and your confidence. That's why I've put together the most common questions Australian women ask about divorce, and more importantly, how you can navigate them with confidence. So let's break it down together. So number one, what are the grounds for divorce in Australia? So what are the grounds for divorce in Australia? Well, Australia operates under a no-fault divorce system, meaning the sole grounds for divorce is the irretrievable breakdown of the marriage, evidenced by a 12-month separation period. How do I file for divorce? Applications for divorce can be filed online through the Federal Circuit Court of Australia's portal. How much does it cost though? Well, the standard filing fee for divorce application is $900. Concessions may apply for those experiencing financial hardship, reducing the fee to $300. How is property divided after divorce? Well, property division considers both financial and non-financial contributions as well as future needs. It's not always a 50-50 split, and it does depend on individual circumstances. How is child custody determined? Well, decisions regarding child custody are based on the best interest of the child, considering factors like the child's relationship with each parent and any history of family violence. And what about spousal maintenance? Am I eligible? Well, spousal maintenance involves financial support from one spouse to the other post-separation, and it's determined by the receiving spouse's needs and other spouse's capacity to pay. Can I change my name after divorce? And yes, individuals can revert to their maiden name, or of course you can choose another name post-divorce. Some institutions may require a copy of the divorce order for verification. And how do I serve divorce papers on my spouse? Divorce papers must be served personally, but not by the applicant. The process server or a friend can perform the service. And of course, what happens to joint bank accounts during divorce? So decisions regarding joint bank accounts depend on mutual agreements or court orders. Some couples choose to close or freeze joint accounts during the divorce process. And superannuation is a big one. So how does superannuation be affected by my divorce? Well, superannuation is considered part of the property pool and can be split between parties if deemed just and equitable. If this resonated with you and you don't have time to figure it out all on your own, come join my free community where you'll get support from other women navigating life after divorce. Practical tips to rebuild your finances step by step, and exclusive access to live Q&As and resources to help you feel in control. Plus, as a thank you, get 50% off my money makeover. There are only limited spots available, so click the link to join now and take the first step towards your own financial freedom.